Hi there. How are you today? That's good. I'm Noah and welcome to my makeup salon. So, do you have an appointment? Great. What's your name? Good. Let me take it here. My cell phone. Okay, just a moment, please. Great. Here you are. Two beautiful names. What do you want for today's session? Good. So it's something really natural. Do you have a date later? Great. Okay, I understand. So this will be quick, don't worry. I'm going to do a really natural makeup for you with the best products, okay? Let's start. Just sit down and relax and let's go. Okay, first of all, I need to clean your face with this. This is a Japanese brand and it's pretty good. So it will help your skin to be clean and soft. Here. Perfect. So look at me, please. Good. I'm going to clean very gently here on your cheeks. Good. Side of your face, your chin. Good. Other side. Cheek number 2 on the side. Good. Let's go with your nose. Perfect. Eyebrows. On your forehead. Good. One more time. Your eyes, please. Very good. Be very gentle to touch your eyelids. Perfect. Now you can open your eyes. Good. So the second thing I'm going to do is to use this. That will help to hydrate your face. Okay. Okay, please close your eyes. Very good. Here. Okay. You can open now. Good. Great. Let's start with the makeup then. I'm going to apply this BB cream. I think this matches your tone, so it's perfect. And I have this soft sponge. Okay, just a little bit. Great. Okay, here. other side. Just a little bit. Great. Nose. Okay, forehead. Great, and with this side, under your eyes, look up please. Very good. Good. Perfect. Here the corner of your nose. Great. Perfect. Okay. So, next thing I'm going to do is to put a little color on your eyebrows with this pencil. First, I'm going to brush your eyebrows. Okay, and then I'm going to use this color. Okay. Stay still please and look at me. Very good. Perfect. The other eyebrow. Very good. Great. And some color here. Perfect, and I will use this to make it a little bit softer. Great. Okay, so I'm going to apply a little bit of how do you call it? Blush. Your cheeks. Here. Great. The other side. Amazing. Perfect. Okay. Now I'm going to apply this eyeshadow. Let me know if you don't like it. I think it will suit you very well. This colors, what do you think? Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to apply this pink first. Close your eyes, please. Good. The other eye. Just a little bit more here. Great. Okay, and for the corner of your eye, I will apply this brown. Close your eyes, please. You have such beautiful eyes. Good. Perfect. I will apply a little bit of brown here under your eyes, just in the corner. So please look up like this. Good. Here. Perfect. Amazing. Okay. We are almost done, but I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara. Okay. So your eyes will look bigger. Look at me. Good. Look like that. Good. Very good. Good. The other eye. Here. Perfect. Now I will apply a little bit under. Okay, so please look up. Good. Great. The other eye. Perfect. Okay, the last thing I'm going to do is to apply some tint balm. This will last like hours, so you don't have to worry. Okay, so please. Very good. Do you like this color? Good. Okay. Look at me. Perfect. Here. Very good. And here too. Great. Very good. Okay. We are done now. I think you look fantastic. So you can go to your date, and I'm sure you will be the most beautiful there. Okay, so if you need my service another time, please come back and I'll be really happy to see you again. Okay? Okay. Bye bye. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And if you still can't sleep, please check out these videos.